For us, coming from a technology perspective, we see it's the digitisation and really catching up with today's technologies.
Workforce shortages and how do we drive more people into this industry which has such a secure future, and it's actually quite diverse and it's changed significantly. When you look at robotics, AI, all those contemporary things.
I think it's about resilience, making the sector resilient and also environmentally sustainable.
The biggest challenge facing the logistics sector today is really just ensuring that we have the right skilled workforce available for what's coming in the future.
Decarbonisation, particularly in the transport sector, where heavy fuel is the primary mode for most of our transport across the country, whether that's in road transport or trains. And we really do need to work out from a technology point of view what we can do, but more so infrastructure that needs to be invested in so that we can make that transition.
Leveraging from all the lessons learned from the previous 2.5 years, everyone now talks about supply chain logistics because everyone in Australia and indeed around the world has been impacted by disruptions. Through everything from no toilet paper on the shelf to getting critical supplies, including medicines, into the country.
So we now need to work really carefully to make sure that that knowledge that has been gained in COVID can be used for the power of really good policy and investment decisions.
The ALC does have a huge role because, as I say, the industry can be quite fragmented, so it's worth its weight in gold to government when forums like the ALC bring together a diverse range of industry stakeholders, and rather than having a sort of cacophony of competing voices with everybody arguing for separate things, it comes into harmony when industry is able to, if you like, get its act together. I don't say that critically, but converge on a set of agreed priorities. That provides a much surer basis for government to act with confidence.
So the Australian Logistics Council Forum is a great opportunity to bring industry, government, academia, policymakers together to actually talk about some of the challenges that we're facing, but equally to talk about some of the great opportunities we've got.
The biggest challenge is massive demand and limited supply of quality inputs, and we're being tested enormously at the moment because of weather events as well.
Three main issues that we grapple with. There's sustainability, there's affordability, and there's resilience. And you look at all those three things together, we've got to make sure that we've got a secure supply chain line that brings in products to consumers. We've got to make sure we move to a sustainable way of bringing them in. And of course, the standard of living and actually how we can afford to do it is also front and centre as we go forward.